Hello Freedom Lovers, 11 Chuck here. Today I'm going to be going over the Makita 1 1/4 horsepower compact router kit. Of course I got this to do my 80% lower. I wouldn't have needed the plunge base, but for an extra 30 bucks I think it was, I got that in the fence, the guide. I thought that sounded like a pretty good deal. And I can use it for other things as well. So let's open it up here and see what it looks like. Alright. Punko metal. Instructions. Everybody's favorite. A couple wrenches. And this is the actual router itself. Here's the plunge base. Alright. Get rid of the garbage. Alright, this was one of the handful that I saw a lot of good reviews on and was recommended by many of the jig companies. I could have got just the router by itself for $99 or $97. It was like $130 with this, the plunge base. So that's what I went with. Got a good, really heavy duty cord on it. I know it's variable speed, and I was told the adjustability markings are very well marked, and it sure looks like I can feel there's good texture on those. They're pretty easy to see, and from everything I've read online, it adjusts pretty easy as well, and stays pretty true to whatever you set it at, which is a good thing. And this is the speed controller here. RPM ranges from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. That's with no load on it. I believe there's 7 adjustments on it, and I think online it tells you exactly what each number the RPM is, but it looks like you could go halfway in between too from this. I don't know if it won't change until you get all the way to the next number, but there's probably one way we can find out. We'll plug it in and test her out. Okay. Alright, I have it plugged in. I'm going to turn it all the way down to 1. See what it sounds like. It's got kind of a soft touch start. I like that too. I turn it up. Yeah, I could notice the RPM change at a half even. It's still changing. That's 2, 3, a little over 3, 3.5, 4. Oh, it seems to have a soft touch feature as you're adjusting the speed, at least downward. I didn't take it all the way up because no sense in letting it fly at full speed. There's no reason. I mean, I know it's a compact router, but I'm surprised exactly how compact it is. It's really tiny.
As I said, this is a very light router. Yeah, there'll be a lot of aluminum there. And once you take this standard case off, a little lighter still, and you can put the plunge base on. You switch bases. There's a little notch. I don't know if you can see on either one. On this one, it's over to the side, and on the plunge base, it's right in the front by where the clasp is at. And so you've got to line it up, slide it in there, lock that one down. You've got adjustments for that. You can make right here, styles in, pretty slick. So overall, a very nice router. I like it a lot so far, but I haven't used a lot either. So I'll try to keep you updated how I like it. Also include some specs on this model, a link to where I got it, And there's also several different bases, several different attachments. One was a vacuum attachment that helped you keep the sawdust from getting everywhere. That's a very nice thing to have on there. And I'll try to keep you updated with how it's working for me. If you got any questions, post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.
Schniedelwutz.
Schniedelwutz.